welcome back to my channel. My name is Kajal and I have a superb news for you that IDP and British Council are starting their paper delivered IELTS in many more cities from 31st of July 2020. So the cities name include Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Hyderabad and many more which you can see on your screens right now. So these are the cities in which the exam is going to start super soon. So if IDP and British Council have started their paper delivered exam in your city too, then I know that you must be very much excited, and I will say you to fill your exam super soon, like fill it today or fill it maximum tomorrow, because it is very likely that IDP and British Council will still postpone your exam. Now, why I say so? Because you know that during the lockdown period too, there were many people who were still filling up their forms, who were still ready to give IELTS exam. So, the IDP and British, both the organizations are going to prioritize those people over you. And you need to be prepared that if you will fill exam of 31st July, it is very likely that you will be able to give exam at the end of August. So that's the duration that's going on in cities like Chandigarh and in many cities of Punjab too, where the students were so much students have filled their exam in advance. So it might happen in your city too, and you have to be prepared for it, and you have to fill your IELTS exam very soon, because you know that it will get postponed also. So this is a never ending process, right? It is not so maybe it will happen that when you are all prepared and you fill your exam in August month, it is very likely that your exam will then postpone to September or on October. So if you it also depends upon the number of centers that are in your city and number of people who are opting for computer delivered IELTS, because in computer delivered IELTS the date they give, that's the final date, but in paper delivered IELTS your exam date might get still pushed even if it has started. So you have to be prepared. Also, one more thing, that the number of students that they were booking before has been reduced, because there are only like 50 students are allowed at one time to give their exam. Before they were taking slots of 150, 200, even 250. That is not possible now. You have to stick to the government rules and regulations. So for sticking to those rules, they are calling very less number of people. So I'm not very sure that when you will be able to give your exams, even if it started. So what you have to do is you have to fill your exam and just wait for your turn, and I hope that you are preparing well. If you need any help from me, you can connect me on Facebook. I have a group with IELTS with Kajal, on which you can ask questions to me, or you can DM me on my Facebook page, that is by name Kajal here. You can message me over there. We can stay connected, and I'll solve you any doubts, and I'll try to help you as much as I can. And that was all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like how I got 9 band in my reading section and my other tips and trick videos, then you have to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot planned on this channel, so I hope that you subscribe soon, and I'll see you next time. Bye.